what is your approach to measure the skill set of a head of sales in 2023? VSHR Pro Academy, empowering companies by people, expertise, and strategy.
If we want to put it simple, because you may measure in very different angles. If you want to select just one KPI, for me, the most important definitely is forecast accuracy. And probably is the most difficult one. Why I'm saying that? Because if you cannot forecast, you cannot deliver, and you cannot promise to the board a certain figure. And this is crucial for the company, which means that you cannot over-promise, you cannot under-promise, you need to promise the right thing. You need to be able to accurately forecast the business, which means that if we want to measure the capability of the sales manager, measure the forecast accuracy. This is the number one. Of course, depending on the organization, the sales manager or the director of sales may be also invited to do the planning of the sales, which is more on the director level, okay? Many organizations, really, they are accountable somehow for the figure. And this maybe is the second part of the discussion. Not only be accurate in what was planning, but also be able to plan properly. And we all know that also this capability to plan and to decide on the budget for the coming exercise is crucial also for the resources, because if we plan more, we can have more resources. If we plan less, we can have less resources. Okay, which means that it is not a separate exercise. But again, coming to your question, if we need to pick one KPI for the head of sales, definitely is the forecast accuracy, in my opinion, is the most important one.
Are you looking to make your workforce more productive and effective? Yes, right? So then I have a great news for you. So check out the description section of this video. There is a bunch of scorecard for you. So what is this scorecard for? So those scorecard can help you to assess different aspects of your workforce present situation. And then when you take the scorecard, you will get understanding of your present situation. You will get industry benchmarks. And not only that, you will also receive our expert advice as well too. So you can tackle them and make your workforce more productive and effective as well too. And one more great thing, there is no fees for scorecards. So feel free to use and also share to your friends and other colleagues as well too. And if you need more our help, so check the also description section. There is a link for us where you can book an appointment with our expert to have a conversation as well too. Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.